In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country/region on Alibaba. This quick update helps Alibaba show you the right currency, language display, shipping estimates, and suppliers that serve your area. It's especially useful if you've moved, you're traveling, or you shop for different markets and want more accurate pricing and availability. Start by opening Alibaba.com and signing into your account. Being logged in ensures your preference is saved to your profile and stays consistent across pages and future visits rather than just applying to a single session. If you don't have an account yet, you can still browse, but signing in makes the change more reliable and helps Alibaba tailor what you see. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom. In the footer, look for the country/region control or a small flag icon. It's usually near other site-wide settings like language and help links. The label may show your current region alongside the flag, so it's easy to spot. Click it to open the selector. This brings up a list of countries and regions that Alibaba supports, along with the associated settings it can apply. Choose the country or region that best matches where you want to shop or where orders will be shipped. Selecting a different region will update several things at once. You'll typically see currency switch to what's commonly used in that market, and language display may adjust based on what's available for that region. If you prefer a specific language, you can fine-tune that separately afterward, but the region choice is what drives pricing, logistics, and supplier visibility. After making your selection, click Confirm or Save. Alibaba will apply your choice and refresh the page. When it reloads, you should notice updates right away. Prices will appear in the new currency, often with more accurate conversions for your area. Shipping options and delivery estimates will align with local carriers and routes. You'll also see suppliers who are more relevant to your region, which can improve lead times and reduce shipping costs. Even recommendations and promotions may become more tailored to your location. That's all there is to it. Visit Alibaba.com and sign in, scroll to the footer, open the country region or flag control, pick your region, and confirm. With this done, browsing and sourcing should feel smoother, pricing will make more sense, and you'll have clear expectations for shipping and supplier availability. If your needs change later, you can repeat these same steps at any time to switch regions again.